So I'm going to be sealing up this penetration we made. I'm using this Quikrete product. It takes 4.5 parts of the powder to 1 part liquid water, and that looks a little stiff to me. I was using this as my measuring cup. Put a little bit more in there. So I know it goes on kind of like paste. So this is good stuff. It can go on wet and active leaks. It will harden like concrete. That's looking a lot better. Just like Daddy's oatmeal. All right, so this product sets really fast too, so you have to be quick. But you basically smear it around the edges, stuff it in there, and this will help waterproof that. Okay, and as I'm going to use all of this because I'll just keep squishing it in the hole. Try to get some underneath there. But all in all, this is a great product for what I'm using it for here, and that is to seal up your foundation after you've made a penetration in it. And I'll end up, as soon as I get it all on, I'm gonna end up going the glove method here and just kind of stuffing in underneath, because I don't think even as small as a little trowel or as small as the little scrapers I brought, I'll be able to get it all underneath that very edge. But as you can see, let me get all of it on here, and then it'll set up in about 5 minutes, and then it'll be watertight and not worry about critters or anything coming down that same hole that you cut. So let me go ahead and deglove here and start stuffing it in. And I can feel it down there. Yep. Okay. Good news is that pipe pretty much sits right on the bottom. So, all right. I might could have used a little bit more product, but we'll see how this goes. So you can see that definitely will seal it up. So if you're in the place where you're going to be cutting a hole in your concrete and you want to just know how to fix it, this Quikrete product does great, and it's going to form, as you can see, that's liquid enough that it's going to form around that pipe. So you're going to get a really nice tight seal around that. If you really wanted to do it, you could do it from the other side, which is now below grade. So that's going to be a little difficult for me. I think if I come back down here and I see water coming through here, or a little wetter down here than I would want it to be, I would consider digging that up on the outside, because I would guess that it would be better done on the outside than on the inside. But nonetheless, this will definitely get the job done. So anyway, if you're in the market, check this product out. If you're going to be doing any kind of work on your foundation, go ahead and check that product out. It's a dry mix that mixes with just water, 4.5 parts of powder to 1 part liquid. Worked out pretty good for me.